Hey everybody, this is Debbie with DVC-Rental, and we are here at Disney's Aulani Resort. We are in a deluxe studio, island garden view, and we are so excited to be here. And let's look at this room. Here's the bathroom, the rainbow shower head, your vanity, your toilet area with the sliding door for privacy. Here's your kitchenette. This is a closet right here where you can put your things. Let's open the refrigerator. This is a pretty large size refrigerator for a studio. Your coffee maker. We have your full-length mirror. This room sleeps 4 adults and an infant. Queen bed. You have your sleeper sofa over here. And let's take a peek at this island garden view. We have your nice balcony. We can see part of the ocean. And we are overlooking the luau area. Well, we are really happy. Look at this view. Very nice room. Contact us at dvc-rental.com and we will help secure your Aulani reservation, or if you're looking to buy a resale contract, contact our sister company at buyandselldvc.com. Y'all have a good day.